front of me is BIGME HiBreak Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Devices Settings and clicking on Apps right away. Then select Application Default and tap on one of those sections you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Now tap on an app you wish to apply as your new default one, and when you're ready, go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!